here we start. So if I talk about the DeepSeek CLI and if you wish to install it, the first thing that you can do is go to this particular link which I'm showing right here. So this is the documentation from DeepSeek for the deep code. Here you can see integrate with deep code. So the deep code CLI is an open source community built terminal AI which is a coding agent, which is primarily optimized for the DeepSeek version 4 model. And it features an interactive command line interface equipped with agent skills, MCPs, which are model context protocol support, and explicit deep thinking or reasoning effort control as well. So yes, this tool is a community project which is hosted on the GitHub and is distinct from legacy code linters or official DeepSeek internal products. So this is one of the clarification that I would like to give. So within the same, if you wish to check out its repo, you can check the same. And here is the GitHub repo for the same, which is the DeepCode CLI. And if you wish to contribute to the same, you can check out the same particular using this link right here. Now, moving on to integrate the same with your own terminal, you will first need to check the dependencies. That is just Node.js version 18 plus. And if you already have Node.js, then you can simply copy this particular command and then open your Windows PowerShell as an administrator. Now, once you are here, simply copy in the code and hit the enter button. And once you will do this, you can see that the package has been successfully added. Now, if you wish to verify the installation, simply press this command, that is deep code version, and you will see that the version thrown right here. So this means we have successfully installed deep code into our terminal. Now, the next thing is that the configuration file, which is right here. So we will need to create this particular file with a DeepSeek API, which I will show you how you can get it. So what we're going to do next is that we will simply copy this as well. And if you can find the particular file which is mentioned here, that is deepcodesettings.json, you can find it in your file explorer. So go to the file explorer, go to your PC, go to the Windows C, and from here you will need to go to the users option and then click onto a username. And within here, you should see the dot a file with the dot deep code. So if you can see, that would be good. If not, then we will need to create it. So what I'm going to do is apply a sort by filter, sort by using date, and also group by using date. So I cannot see any folder right here, so that is a little disappointing. So what I'm going to do is simply use this particular command. So this will automatically create the user profile right here. So can simply open the CMD and I can type in this particular command. So what I'm going to do is open my CMD, then click on to run as administrator, click yes when prompted, and then I will simply paste in this command. And once that will be done, what I can do is simply create and save the configuration file. So I'll copy this command and I will paste this command right here. And it says, do you want to create a new file? I'm going to click yes. And then moving back to the original documentation that we saw, I will simply copy in this particular line and hit the control and the S key. Now the next thing that we need is the API key instead of this particular thing. So let me show you how you can get your API key. You can get your API key from the DeepSeek platform. Clicking upon the link, it will lead me to this website. I'm going to simply sign in using my credentials. And once I've signed in, I will simply click onto this login option. And once I've successfully logged in, you can see that it is my users right here. And if I click onto the API keys right here, it will show my API keys. But before that, I'll just pause my videos and I will paste it into the notepad file that we just created. And then I'm going to continue right away. So let me quickly pause the video. Okay, so I have generated the API key and I have pasted it into the environment file. And then after the same has been done, we can successfully configure it like this. We can also enter a project directory using these particular shortcuts as well. So after the same has been done, we can also do the same settings file is shared within the VS Code extension as well. So if you are using out the same, now let's try to launch our deep code using this only. So I'll simply type in deep code and hit the enter button. And here you can see that here I am in the deep code CLI. You can see the model is DeepSeek version 4 Pro. The thinking effort is true, reasoning effort is max, and the directory is right here. So let me quickly type in a prompt to see if it's working or not. So let's say I've typed in hi, and you can see that the request has failed due to insufficient balance in my account. But in your case, you will just need to verify if all of the things are true, and you will get it running, especially if you have the paid versions as well. So let me check what the issue lies here. Maybe I think I have copied the wrong API. So this is one of the issues that happens. Let me just quickly troubleshoot this. Okay, so upon inspecting, I can find the issue lies here that my usage has currently no topped up balance as well, as DeepSeek requires you to top up the balance before, as it is a prepaid service. So you will need to top up the balance before you actually start using the API. So you can do the same, and your deep code CLI is ready to go. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.